Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for class junior 1 student. Our today's topic, missing letters 6 to 10. So let's see our today's class. Class junior 1, subject English, term half yearly, topic missing letters 6 to 10, lecture 13. SW today, teacher Ariful Islam. This is the mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's see first what is a missing letter. If I write top, I have written a word top, and if I erase this word letter, so this is called the missing letter. The missing letter is O. If I write SIST here, if I erase this letter, this is called missing letter. So in this place we have to write S. Okay, so this is called missing letter. So let's see our today's class missing letter 6 to 10. Number 6, AIRP-RT. So the main word was AIRPORT, airport. So in this word you can see AIRPO, the word letter O is missing. You have to write O here, AIRPORT, airport. Number 7, B-ACH. So the word is BEACH. So in this word, the letter E is missing. Bit E is missing. So you have to write E. BEACH, bit. Number 8, SEL-COPT. So the main word is HELI, COPTER, helicopter. So in this word, the letter I is missing. So you have to write in this place I. HELICOPTER, helicopter. Next one, number 9, BA-KT. The word is basket. So in this word, the letter S is missing. So we have to write S here. Number 10, BLA-KT. So the word is BLA and KT, blanket. So in this word, the letter N is missing. Okay, so you have to write N here. So my dear students, let's read again. Missing letter 6 to 10. Number 6, airport, AIRPORT. O is missing. Number 7, bit, BEACH, bit. In this word, the letter E is missing. Number 8, helicopter, ACLICOPTER. In this word, the letter I is missing. Number 10, basket. In this word, the letter S is missing. BASKT. The letter S is missing. Number 10, blanket. In this word, the letter N is missing. So my dear students, so that's all for today. So my dear students, keep practicing at home, avoid your parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.